So I was back on the AI agent store, our usual spot for finding these things.
Of course.
And I came across a tool that claims to fix, what has to be the most annoying part of building software?
Hmm. Let me take a guess. It has to be debugging.
Debugging. It's always debugging. This one's called Latta
A
AI.
Latta AI.
Okay, and their big headline claim is that it can reduce a developer's debugging time by up to 40%.
40%. Wow, that's a bold claim.
It's a huge number. And, I've seen developers lose entire weeks hunting down one single bug. So a number like that, it really grabbed my attention.
Yeah, you have to wonder how they get to that number. Usually promises that big are just, I don't know, a slightly smarter syntax checker.
Right. But Latta seems to be attacking the problem from a different angle. It's focused on the reproduction phase.
Ah, the classic "it works on my machine" problem.
Exactly that. You can't fix a bug you can't see. And what I notice is Latta isn't just looking at the code, it's actually recording user sessions.
Oh, okay, now that's the differentiator. Right. So instead of just getting some cryptic error log, the developer gets a full recording of the exact moment everything failed.
Yeah.
You see the clicks, the inputs, everything.
It's basically a dash cam for your code, but it's doing more than just, playing back a video. They list this metric, a 76% autonomy rating.
76%. So what does that mean? It's not just observing, it's analyzing.
It's connecting the dots. It takes that dash cam footage, that session data, and it performs a root cause analysis.
So it figures out why the crash happened.
Precisely. And this is the part that really got me. It then writes the fix. It generates the actual code to patch the bug.
Wait, it writes the code without a developer even looking at it first?
That's the idea.
I mean, that's the dream, in theory. But I can practically hear the alarm bells going off for some senior developers right now.
Well, yeah, I had the same thought. An AI autonomously rewriting code sounds like a fantastic way to accidentally break your entire application.
Right, if it hallucinates a fix, you're in bigger trouble than when you started.
But that's why that autonomy rating isn't 100%. They've built in a human-in-the-loop workflow. It doesn't just push changes live.
Okay, so it has a safety net.
A big one.
Yeah.
It submits a pull request.
Ah, a pull request. Okay, that makes all the sense in the world.
Yeah, so for anyone listening who doesn't live inside GitHub, a pull request is just a proposal. The AI basically says, hey, here's the bug, here's the proof it happened, and here's the code I wrote to fix it. What do you think?
So it's acting like a really, really fast junior developer. It does all the grunt work of the investigation and drafts a solution.
And a senior developer, still has to come in, review the logic, and be the one to hit approve.
Which turns a 4-hour detective mission into a 10-minute code review.
That's the whole point. You aren't removing the human. You're just removing the most tedious part of their job.
Which makes this a tool that's clearly built for teams. You know, QA engineers, developers, project managers who want to focus on building new features, not just maintenance.
For sure. And from a business perspective, it's a pretty standard freemium model, and it's closed source software. The value is all about boosting productivity.
It's accelerating those release cycles.
It really shifts the developer's role, doesn't it? If the AI is handling the cracks in the foundation, the human gets to stop being just a fixer.
And they get to be more of an architect.
Exactly. You get to focus on what to build next, not just repairing what you built last week.
A pretty powerful idea.
So if this sounds like something that could help your team, you can find the link for it over at aiagentstore.ai.
And on that note, just a quick thank you to everyone who has been rating the show. It really does help us out.
We really appreciate it. See you next time.